We will now have an AV for our final recipient.
Siddharth Taneja has cerebral palsy, as a result of which he has no control over his movements and his hands. Siddharth joined Make My Trip after a 6-month internship with the company. The fact that he could not use his hands did not in any way stop Siddharth, who used his feet to work and write instead. Siddharth was offered a choice of working from home, as the commute was very time-consuming and tiring. Yet he refused the offer, as he wanted to work like a regular employee and did not want any special privileges.
All of us in the management team and HR were really wanting to help. We were in that kind of a mindset and mode. The first feedback after a month or so that came back from his manager was unbelievably good.
Initially we were really nervous whether he's going to do his job well or no. But as the time progresses, he really worked well and we were really impressed with him.
Technically, he's very good. He's a sort of a small dynamite in our team, and now we see him as a star performer in our team.
Siddharth and his family acknowledge the many difficulties that they have had to face for him to reach his current position, such as being denied a scribe for his board exams, being denied extra time in his BCA exams, being mocked by his peers, and so on. But these difficulties have never been a barrier to achievement.
It was not an easy journey, whether it was Siddharth or Papa, Mummy, everyone. But together, we all holding each other, reached to this stage, to this level.
मुझसे ज़्यादा शायद इसके अंदर हिम्मत थी, जो ये अपने आप को आगे बढ़ने के लिए अपने आप को खुद ही अपने आप को प्रोत्साहित करता रहता था हमेशा ही.
The motive of my life is simple, to make a dent out in this world. सबको जाने सबकी लाइफ एंड होगी, but few people will be remembered after their death. And difficulties लाइफ में आती रहती हैं. Difficulties की बिना शायद लाइफ का मजा नहीं होता, because हम लोग हमेशा वो फूड लाइक करते जो कि क्रिस्पी हो. तो लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट क्रिस्पी नहीं होगा तो फिर मजा कहाँ से होगा लाइफ में.
Siddharth Taneja, recipient of the Kavincare Ability Mastery Award 2015.
Ladies and gentlemen, he may be young in his age, but very brave and wise beyond his years. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Siddharth Taneja. I'd like to invite Dr. Maria Zina Johnson, Managing Director of Satyabama University and member of the jury of the awards, to read the citation.
Elorukum Vanakkam. Really blessed to read out the citation. Kavincare Ability Mastery Award given to Siddharth Taneja on the 14th day of March 2015 in Chennai in recognition of excellence achieved against all odds. Unfazed by acute cerebral palsy, his indomitable spirit and unceasing optimism empowered him to tackle his CBSE board, his university exams, as well as all the major computer software exams by writing them all with his feet. Refusing his company's work from home, offer insisting on tackling his workspace on par with others, taking upon himself excellence in the allotted task to assess quality for his company, MakeMyTrip.com, playing a key role in enhancing his company's name, winning administration and respect, bringing down social and attitudinal barriers, working on public speaking as well in order to, as he puts it, to inspire more people like me, as he deserves to, people who aspire to do anything in their lives. Quoting from the famous lines for this, the world is equally cruel and equally good to you in your struggle towards your aims and aspirations.
Thank you. I'd like to invite Mr. S. Krishnaswamy to present a memento to Dr. Maria Zena Johnson.